Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But a very impressive movement on this one today when you stop and think about the fact that the price started off down here and then ultimately closed all the way up there. Sure, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was at its lows to where it closed, good movement, but that does now bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 17.5 cents. Why is 17.5 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say that the price pulls back a little bit and the price goes back down. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but for example's sake, price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would all of a sudden have the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, though, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined once again as 17.5 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, 20.5 cents is going to be that near-term level to watch closely. So keep an eye on that, and that'll be the main hurdle to keep an eye on. But overall, what matters most is now starting to gauge the health of the move and seeing if the price can actually start to show some signs of progress. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.